Good morning. It is December 4th, and I think it's time to open up my second Wooble. I've gotten a little off course, but let's see. Alright, here's the box, and I'm going to pull out day 2. Alright, and for day 2, we're doing a red robin, I think. Let's see, there's a little bit of black in here, a tapestry needle, and I think the eyes. So that's what's in here. Oh, by the way, we did end up adopting Timmy. We took him to the adoption center with Hunter and Thumbelina, and that was on a Friday morning. And then Saturday, I kept crying because I missed Timmy so much. So I messaged the rescue director and coordinators, and I was like, I keep crying because I miss Timmy, so I'm going to fill out the application for him. And then that day we drove over and adopted him. But anyways, okay, we have some red yarn, some stitch markers, and the project is started out. We've got some orange yarn, we've got stuffing, some black yarn, and a crochet hook. So I'm gonna get started on this, and we will make this project. Alright, so I've just gotten started on the bird. I've got the pattern in front of me, my computer, and I've got Timmy right next to me, my sweet little baby boy, who shall never ever again have to go to an adoption event because he is already home now. You never have to leave my baby boy. I love you, Timmy. You're such a good boy. Alright, it is Friday, December 6th. I'm going to try to finish this today. I just finished. I left off on round 11, so I'm going to be starting round 12 of this project. I've got Timmy in my lap, my beautiful baby boy. Such a good baby. Alright, I've got my instructions up on my computer, and I'm going to get started now. Alright, I still have Timmy here. I just got to the point where I need to do the eyes per the instructions. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. There we go. Okay. Let's do some eyeballs. Alright, so I'm having a little bit of difficulty filming today because Timmy's in my lap and he's comfy, and it would be wrong of me to get up to get my tripod. So we're just going to keep checking in. Okay, let me show you what we've got. Eyes are in. I've done decreases. It's time for me to now stuff the little cardinal. Timmy is just too important to disturb right now, so I'm just going to sit here and work on this because because we can't disturb a sweet little boy. He's so comfy. Alright, I'm gonna get the stuffing. We're gonna stuff the bird, and then I'll work on closing up the bottom in the next part. You want a stuffing? Oh my goodness, you're such a good boy. Where's your mouse? Your mouse is right here. You want a mouse toy? That's a good boy. Oh my goodness. Oh, such a good boy. Yes, you are. I love you, Timmy. Okay, I have my phone up here filming. I'm starting on stuffing the cardinal. Timmy got up on his own, so I was able to maneuver. I have fostered over 200 cats and kittens by now, and I normally don't fall this hard for a cat, but I am in love with Timmy. I just love him so much. Okay, so let's continue on. I'm gonna stuff this. And they say to try to like form it into an egg shape in the instructions. So I'm just stuffing away here. And I believe I saw that the next box is kind of small, so I might quickly do that one as well and include it in this video. I think that's stuffed enough. That looks good, right? I think so. Maybe a little bit more. Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna get to the next step. I got the crochet hook that this came with, which I actually really like because I do love a good green. So, the next... Okay, so the next part I'm just gonna do 8 decreases, so I'm gonna take my little stitch marker out and I'm going to do 8 decreases. And to do my decreases, I'm like going into the stitch, pulling a loop up, going into the next stitch, pulling a loop up, and then pulling through all 3 of those loops that are on the crochet hook. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and then I'll be back to do the, what do you call it? The other things, I think I need to do some embroidery, and then I need to make the beak, and yeah, I guess we'll see. I'll be back. Alright, as you can see, Timmy has joined me. I've got the beak on. Now I need to embroider little V's on the chest, and this will be done. And you'll notice I did turn this into another Christmas ornament. I think I might turn all of these into Christmas ornaments because I think crocheted ornaments are cute, and they're already like the perfect shape and size for ornaments, so that's what I'm doing with these. This is what my cardinal looks like so far. I'm gonna do the embroidery now. Alright, I'm almost done with the little cardinal. I was having trouble with, you can see stuffing coming out from where I did the embroidery and pulled the needle through. So, kind of want the stuffing to not be here, but I need to make wings now, so I'm going to follow the instructions for that and do the wings. Alright, Timmy is still with me because he is so cuddly. My sweet baby boy. Alright, I did the wings. Now I just need to attach them, and then this will be completely done. And the next box I noticed in the advent is really small, so I might also open that and do that, whatever is in that one, and include it in this video. So let's attach some wings. Alright, so that's the first one that I finished. And this is the second. I actually really like this one. It's super cute. And I think it makes a great ornament. Where can I put this? I'll put this right here, I guess. Alright, second Wooble complete. First one. I'm going to open the next box and we'll see what's in there. If you see all the boxes, number 3 seems to be the smallest one, so I'm going to pull that one out and see what's in there. Alright, what we got? Okay, oh that's cute. Okay, so we have this adorable crochet hook. I really like this one. And then a little tin. This tin is so adorable. How cute. Okay, so there's nothing inside the tin, but this is super cute. This would actually be really nice to keep stitch markers and tapestry needles in. So these are super cute. I'm glad I went ahead and opened this up. Very cute. I really like these actually. And such a cute little box. Alright, well this is going to be the end of this video. I will come back with the 4th advent box sometime soon. Okay, bye.